Hello everyone, it's Lee here. Welcome to another day of July postcard play. So we're up to day 19. I'm gonna shuffle my deck. This is the hashtag you need to look for if you're wanting to find the playlist, and the host of course is Ceri Griffiths. That's Ceri the Crafter. Okay, so go through this 3 times, whatever's on the top in that position when I've finished is the one that I'm going to decorate, and it's this one. Okay, plain, isn't it? So anything that goes on there is going to be a bit of a bonus. So I was having a bit of a play around yesterday doing some gel printing. I was actually trying to do a long haul. That was the end result, so I didn't obviously use the right colours, but I thought some of these might look alright on this. That's a possibility, and that's a possibility. And maybe this green. Okay, so we're up to 19, aren't we? Got a bit of an idea of what I'm going to do. I'm just going to grab my hole punch. So let's have a look at what we've got here. Oh, it's not dark, light enough. That one is. And that one. I might take a couple of these green ones. So I'm looking for areas of high contrast. Okay. You know what? I think my circles are way too big. I might punch some smaller ones. I just remembered I've got this butterfly punch. I might see if I can get some butterflies. So, some of them are just lost on that paper against that background. So I like the pink, so I'm going to try and get some more pink ones. So I started off doing something and now I'm doing something completely different, but that's the way it goes, isn't it? Like, oops, sorry, I just hit the camera with my head. Sometimes you just have to adapt and change the direction that you're going in, because what you're originally doing isn't working out. So, and I think that's the beauty of doing something like this. Well, that one stands out nicely. Some more yellow, maybe some of that. What day is it? 19. Would I be able to get 19 butterflies? What have I got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I need another 10. I don't think so. Okay, so I have an idea what I'm going to do. So I'm going to have that split open. Maybe I need to go with one of these lighter coloured ones, or something with a bit more contrast like this one. So that's going to break open and these butterflies are going to come out of it. The escaping. Yeah, I think I need some contrast around the edge of them, so I'm going to go around it with a white pen. Just going to put some text stamp on there because it's a bit boring. That's a bit better. Okay, and I think a few gold spatters. I'm going to cut my circle out for my number. That little bit of writing on it. Whee. And with this. Yep. It is 18, is it? Or is it 19? Yesterday. Oh, it's 19. I'm getting the days mixed up now. It's getting, because there's so many that have been done. 1, 9, or 61. So I'm going to put that there. I feel like I want to put one more butterfly in there out of this. Can be the odd one out. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, I don't have the patience to cut more out. Just to get to 19. It's the black sheep of the family. Yeah, some gold spatters. Right, I'm going to use one of these lighter golds, I think, for this. And I just want to put on a couple of more deliberate spots, dots, big ones. I think I need some more water. Okay, so that's number 19 done. So my butterflies are erupting out of a butterfly egg, jelly printed butterfly egg. Alright, hope you like that. Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye.